How to pay Netflix with Jazzcash. I am going to show you how you can easily pay Netflix with Jazzcash. Most users pay for their Netflix subscriptions using credit or debit cards, as it is a straightforward process. You need to link your card to your Netflix account, and the fee is automatically deducted each month. However, you need to have a bank account and a valid card for this. PTCL offers an alternative payment option for Netflix. If you are a PTCL customer, you can pay for your Netflix through your PTCL bill. This method is helpful for those who don't have a credit card or those who don't prefer it for performing any online transactions from their cards. Jazzcash and EasyPayza e-vouchers. Jazzcash and EasyPayza are popular mobile banking services in Pakistan. Users can buy e-vouchers from these facilities that can be used for different services, including Netflix. Download and open Jazzcash app on your mobile device. Log into the account using your credentials. Select e-vouchers from the main menu on the homepage. Within the e-voucher section, find Netflix and select it. Enter the amount you want to pay for your Netflix subscription. Double check to avoid any mistakes. Follow the prompts that appear on the mobile screen to confirm the transaction. You may need to enter your transaction PIN or other security details. That is it. You have paid your Netflix subscription using Jazzcash.